Christie Brinker, and I'm a Chief Technology Officer. I work at Keyforce, and we are a managed service provider. We'll be talking about VMware vSphere 6.7. My primary use case of VMware vSphere 6.7 is that I manage probably 100 clients who are using this product in their day-to-day work. These are businesses that use it, so it runs the core of their network, it runs their business. It is critical for them to be up and running, so vSphere is pretty important for them. The most valuable features of vSphere is really the scalability of it and its reliability. It's really helped us as a managed service provider because we have so many customers that we have to be pretty much on call for, that when it's up and running and it's working well, that makes our jobs a lot easier. The built-in encryption of vSphere really helps us to be able to secure those, especially when we have customers in the medical field who need to be HIPAA compliant. So being able to encrypt the VM itself helps out a ton. Mission critical applications that we run on vSphere is our main program that we use to actually monitor all of our customers. So we have hundreds of customers. So our main application of remote monitoring runs in our vSphere environment. We also run our Exchange, which is critical. That's how we get our alerts about all of our systems that we're managing. And we also run our ticketing system. So when a customer will submit a ticket via email, we get that. All that's running on vSphere. I don't really have any percentages to share, but I could say that I received one. The solution has improved our organization because it's made our jobs a lot easier. We're able to monitor all these customers, and with vSphere, they're much more stable than they were previously when they were on physical servers. So the fact that they're more stable makes our jobs a lot more easier. Yeah, I find vSphere very simple and easy to manage. It has a very good GUI that you're able to use. I think anybody can pretty much log in and start clicking around and figure out, how to power on a VM, how to create a new VM. I think that it's pretty streamlined for the most part. As far as the ease of use goes, if you ever were in a situation where something was down, I feel like the logging in VMware, it makes it really easy to report what's going on. So that the logging is a really helpful feature, and then also some of the features built in like vMotion. So if you do have a server that's down, you can use something like vMotion to get it back up and running. We don't have a customer that uses it, but we've been very involved in hoping the price gets cheaper so we can sell it. But I probably can't really tell you much about it. Stability has been awesome. Like I said, we have 100 clients who are on vSphere, and it has made all of their systems a lot more stable, which is great for us. Scalability is really great. Being able to have a customer who decides maybe a year after they've purchased their hardware that they need to add another server because maybe they've decided to purchase a new product. Being able to scale that system out really helps a lot. Getting vSphere set up for the first time is pretty straightforward. The installation process is not that painful, and it really guides you through it, so it makes it a lot easier, especially if it's your first time doing it. As far as room for improvement goes, I really feel like each release they are coming out with new features, making it better and better. The new HTML5 client is almost there. It needs just a little bit more, and then it will definitely be ready. Yeah, as far as our ROI goes, vSphere actually reduces time to set up a server by a ton, and by server I mean a virtual machine. In the past you'd have to order in hardware, wait weeks for it to come in, and then install Windows, patch it, go and actually deploy it at the customer location. Now, if the customer's already running vSphere, all we got to do is log into that and build the VM and install Windows, and we're good to go. I mean, we're talking we've gone from days to, an hour probably. When we were looking at vSphere, we did look at some of the competitors. Of course, we looked at Microsoft Hyper-V because we're a Microsoft partner as well. However, it lacked a lot of the things that vSphere had. Yeah, I would rate the solution as a 10. The best advice I could give somebody looking to implement the solution is definitely download the trial because you can try it out for free. Put it on some test equipment and run it, and you're going to love it.